What? How many are you gonna open?
5!
Oh my gosh, guys. Where have you guys been?
A long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. You guys haven't been dropping any videos. Are you gonna let us know what's been going on?
I don't know. Yeah. We haven't dropped any videos in a whole entire...
Well, like 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Almost like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
We've been really busy, guys. We've been busy with school, work.
I started school and I had to go to school every day. Then I have to go to school too.
No, you don't, you liar.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we've just been really busy, right?
One more thing.
One more thing. Let us know.
We need to open it. I was really hungry and really busy.
You were really hungry and really busy.
Yeah, because that was a long time ago when you were cleaning and I was really hungry.
All right,
that was so long.
All right, guys. Well, you guys want to get started?
You got a toothbrush.
Yeah.
You got a toothbrush.
Yeah, the toothbrush. Yeah. All right, guys. So, do you guys want to get started? Let's open up the bags, the blind bags, to find out what's inside.
Yeah, and I'm so excited. Romeo gets to open 2 and I get to open 3.
Yeah, because you're the big guy, he's the little guy, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Let's get started.
2 is the same as his years old.
All right, let's get started.
All right.
Oh yeah, remember how we talked about earlier how you gotta open them? There you go. There you go. All right, let's see what you got.
I didn't drop.
I'm so excited. I'm hoping you get like a golden Freddy or like a Chica or I don't know.
Oh, I got mango.
Mango?
It's mango. Trap. Yeah.
Mango?
Yeah, mango.
Who?
Train trap.
Train track. He said he got a train track. What?
I got mango.
Mango? What?
I got mango and he got spring trap.
All right, let me check out. Let's check out Springtrap first.
Spring trap. Don't open the other ones yet, Romeo.
So let's see. We got Springtrap. Oh, whoa.
Spring trap.
Hey! Springtrap, guys. He doesn't look as violent as the last one we got, right? He doesn't look as bad. So Springtrap. Foxy?
Yeah.
What? Let me check him out.
Oh, he's so cool.
Is this supposed to be a girl or what?
No, that's a boy. He has the eye patch.
Oh man, we're out of focus.
He's kind of like a pirate.
Check it out, guys. So you said Foxy, right?
Yeah. Here's
So awesome.
Here's my other one.
I think Angel's gonna be helping you today, buddy.
Yeah.
And then we got, what did you say this guy's name was?
Mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
Flamingo? Flamingo or mango?
Mango. Okay, I guess I'm gonna open it. I just opened it.
That's all right. What?
What did I get?
I just noticed. What did you get again?
Foxy.
So you got another Foxy? Oh,
Yeah.
well, we got 2 Foxys.
So Romeo has Foxy.
You have a Foxy. You have Springtrap and
No, I don't.
Mango.
Not a picture. Wait.
No. Who is that? Is that?
That's Golden Freddy.
That's Golden Freddy.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Let me see him. Let me see Golden Freddy. So awesome, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. We've been wanting this guy for the longest.
Yeah.
Like I can't stress how long we've been trying to get Golden Freddy, guys.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, you can move her body. I'm gonna fight you. Who are you? I'm Springtrap. Who are you? I'm Golden Freddy.
Hey, I got a question. Why are you always fighting? Huh? Why do they always want to fight? You're crazy, man. I always hear you saying, I'm gonna fight you, I'm gonna fight you. You always want to fight people, bro.
Just want to slide to a park.
Alright, I got one last question, okay? Out of those 5 characters that you guys have in your hands, yeah, we got twins. Who's your favorite Five Nights at Freddy's character? Out of the ones you have on your hands, though.
I like Golden Freddy because I really wanted him, and he was like so hard to get.
Yeah, he's a really tough one. I was so excited when you got him because I mean, he's like, I mean, you could get him, but like you have to be really lucky. It's kind of hard to find him. Like we've gone through a lot of these blind bags, and it's been tough, right?
Yeah, and also Springtrap is easy to find.
Yeah, Springtrap is easy to
I
find.
also thought he had a broken ear, but he had a bitten ear.
Yeah, kind of like the evil one, the evil version of the Funko Pop ones, right? You're talking about the Funko Pop ones. The evil version of the Funko Pop has a broken ear, right? And he looks like a little bit more like scary, right?
With the Funko Pop?
Yeah, the Funko Pop. But this version looks a little like more clean, right? More kiddish.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it looks cool. Alright, CurlyKidz, that's it for this episode. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, CurlyKidz.